don't. Is he well? Yes, sorry. I didn't mean... As 3 Ndlovu, first cycles by the look of them, came into the circle. They were drunk. Tao tensed. The first Ndlovu, 2 heads taller than Tao and half again as heavy, noticed them first. Didn't want to give Tao that chance. Although off balance, he lunged, stabbing at him like he held a spear. Tao slashed his broken blade onto the incoming weapon and whipped his other sword at Oyibo's helm. Tao's severed sword pushed the attack wide, and as they were Jayed told him as Yaw and Hadith ran over. They put Uduak's arms over their shoulders and hoisted him off his knees. He groaned and fell against Hadith, almost bowling the smaller